help us all get along. When we want something calm and slow, there's a magic word we all should know. Please, please, gentle and sweet, a smiling word when friends we meet. Hands held still, voices kind, please shows care in heart and mind. When someone helps us, big or small, we remember kindness after all. Thank you, warm and true, for helping hands and sharing too. A nod, a smile, a happy face, thank you fills the world with grace. Sometimes we trip or make mistakes, or bump a friend for goodness sake. Sorry, sorry, soft and fair, a caring word to show we care. A hug, a smile, a brand new start. Sorry comes from a gentle